ATMPs are advanced therapeutic medicinal products. It really is the advent of what most people come to understand as this idea around personalized medicine. These are therapeutics that really originate with a science that looks at the traditional ways that biologics are developed.
Some of the big key takeaways from the ATMP guide are really about just telling people how different ATMPs are. Really just making us as ISPE in an industry think differently and introduce people to the new science. What makes the ATMP guide a must-buy guide for the industry and members is the useful information there about facility design, what are the regulatory expectations, but also some things to watch out for equipment, some things to watch out for supply chain. It's a pretty well-rounded guide for autologous therapies to really get you off the ground and build that level of familiarity so that you can go into it knowing what to expect. For the ATMP guide, we pulled together quite a wide array of authors with different backgrounds. We pulled in some supply chain experts, we've pulled in some facility design experts, we got some odor companies who are part of this innovation to take part in writing this guide so that we did cover all the bases in this guide such that, again, you could actually take this and apply this to your facility, to your product. And with so many of the biopharm companies starting to look into cell therapies now, really it's a must-buy because you need to bring an entire group of people who have dealt with large molecules into cell therapy and get them up to speed.